What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down with these videos. This is another vouch video. Somebody else who paid for their lessons, who got their car, and I gave them what they needed to know. This is good gems. Let them know what you paid for. Let them know what you learned and if it was worth it or not.
Yeah, man. Shit, I paid for the Cashapp bridge and how to make 10K a week. You know what I'm saying? $600. And I also paid to skip that line too, man.
Did I explain the Cash App list? Do it make sense now?
Yeah, man. Told me how to link it and everything, bro. What I need to do. Yeah.
Did I explain the live cards to you?
Oh, man. That's what I was really confused on, but you broke it down to me, man.
Like I told you how to really do it and really get the money off of it, right?
Yeah.
I would ask you, do you remember the L word that I used? But you probably don't remember that L word that I told you I used to get the money off of it when you go on that site. It's cool. I just said it.
Yeah.
You remember that the L word?
Yeah.
What's the word?
Shit, I can say it?
Yeah.
London?
Oh, you got it. Hey,
Okay.
that's when you really paying attention. You really get the information. You get the gems. Listen, it was worth it, right?
Hell yeah.
Just Telegram too. Like people, let me show y'all this really Telegram. Cause people like, oh, it's good. You be paying people to. Hey. Let me show y'all. Let me go ahead and scroll down. All right, boom. Y'all see that, right? You online today? Yeah, I wrote him that. Like, charge my phone, call you 30 minutes, boom, you bet I'm calling out, about to call you, boom, for sure. And what did I do? I called, right? Like y'all see the little green line up there, right? Like that's how y'all know, you know what I mean? Like I'm really on the phone with somebody. Let me click that so it go right back to the screen. Boom, there y'all go, man. I'm really out here teaching people. I'm really out here blessing people with these gems and this information that's gonna really help them create financial freedom. Like that method that I just told you how to make 10K, $50,000 a month. That makes sense, right? Like it's real eye opening, right? Real life changing, right?
Yeah.
Hey, ain't no game or no shame, ain't no scams going on. I'm really out here taking the time out of my days to really teach people this information, teach people about credit, teach people about methods, whatever you need to know. I'm going to teach you and help you learn and make some money. Easy as that. All right, so make sure y'all really tapping in and getting y'all lessons before prices go back to regular prices, $1,200. But right now, they $600. So do not miss out on this opportunity. It's your boy, King Hussle, another vouch video, and I'll see y'all at the next. Peace.